Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's blog, I am going to share something really exciting, how you can learn English with my. If you are someone who want to speak English fluently, improve your listening skill and understand real conversation, then this video just for you. So stay with me till the end because it's tell you step by step how to use my podcast to learn English naturally and effective. When you listen to English podcast, you train your brain to hear English every day. You don't have to study grammar books all the time. Instead, you just listen and learn. You can listen to a podcast while traveling, walking, working, or even before sleeping. It's like learning English without it. Podcast also help you understand real life English. The way people actually speaking daily conversation, not just textbook English. That's why I created my podcast especially for English learner like you who want to speak English naturally without fear. In my podcast, I talk about many interesting topics daily life, motivation, personal growth, confidence, and English learning tips. Each episode is designed in simple English, so even if you are beginner, you can understand easily. You will hear correct pronunciation, natural experience, and real example that you can use in your daily life. For example, I don't just say improve your English. I explain how to improve by listening, repeating, and practicing with me. So, while listening to my podcast, you will learn new words and phrases, improve your pronunciation, understand sentence structure, and most importantly, build confidence to speak. Now, let me tell you the simple method to learn English with my podcast. First, choose one episode. Don't to try to listen to everything at once. Pick one topic you like, maybe daily motivation or how to think in English. Second, listen carefully. At first, just listen. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. The goal is to get the meaning, not perfection. Third, listen again and repeat. Play the episode again and try to repeat one sentence after me. This is called shadowing. It helps you improve your pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Fourth, write down new word. Keep a small notebook and write the new word you learn. For example, if you hear the word confident, write it down and make your own sentence with it. Finally, practice speaking after listening. Try to speak for 1 or 2 minutes about the topic. Don't think too much. Just speak freely. This builds fluency and confidence. If you do this daily, your English will improve faster than you can imagine. Many learners ask me, how much time should I listen every day? My answer is simple, just 20 minutes a day is enough. But do it every day. Regular practice is more important than long hour. Even if you listen for 10 or 15 minutes in the morning and again at night, it's perfect because English learning is not a one day job, it's a daily habit. Just like we eat food daily, we should feed our brain with English daily. When you listen to my podcast, don't listen like a student, listen like a friend. Enjoy the story, feel the emotion, and try to connect with the meaning. If the topic is about motivation, feel motivated. If the topic is about confidence, imagine yourself speaking English confidently. The more you connect emotionally, the faster you will learn. If you want to learn even faster, you can also read along while listening. I provide transcript or subtitle for many podcast episodes. This help you see how words are spelled and pronounced at the same time. It's a great way to improve both your listening and reading skill together. If you find an episode you really like, listen and read it 2 or 3 times. You will start understanding English automatically. The best part about a podcast is you can listen anywhere. You don't need a classroom, book, or teacher. Just your phone and earphone are enough. You can listen while cooking, driving, exercising, or walking. This makes learning easy and part of your daily life. So, no more excuse like I don't have time. So, always have time to listen to English. One of the biggest secret of learning English fast is consistency. Don't listen for 1 week and then stop. Make it a daily habit. Even if you listen for just 10 minutes, do it regularly. Even every time you listen, your brain gets better at understanding English. And remember, learning English is not about being perfect, it's about progress. You don't have to speak like a native speaker, you just have to speak clearly and confidently. So, my friend, learning English with my podcast is one of the easiest and most enjoyable way to improve your skill. You can learn anywhere, anytime, and at your own speed. Just listen, repeat, and practice a little every day. That's the secret. Believe in yourself, you can do it. If you stay consistent, I promise you will see big change in your English within a few months. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my podcast, and share this video with your friends who also want to learn English. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye. Take care.